Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying essentials: your Windows version, motherboard model, and current BIOS build, because firmware differences change the steps. Next, back up your BIOS profile and game saves, and prepare a FAT32 USB stick for keys. This prevents data loss. Then download the latest firmware and the required Microsoft signing keys so you can enroll them. Once those are ready, reboot into UEFI. Go straight to the secure boot settings, because that opens the path to import or reset keys. Now switch secure boot to custom mode so you can manage keys manually. This is how you control trust. Delete corrupted or unknown keys first, then import the platform key, key exchange key, and the DB and DBX databases in order, because order matters for trust chains. Make sure each key file is the correct format like SIR or DARE, and verify checksums before importing. Once imported, enable secure boot enforcement briefly to confirm the firmware accepts the keys, then return to full settings to continue. Finish by switching secure boot back to standard mode and rebooting twice so Windows and drivers register the new trust state. This stabilizes key caches. Then update your GPU drivers and the game client, and launch Battlefield as administrator the first time after changes, since drivers may need elevated setup. If you still see a block, clear secure boot keys and repeat the import process, and record any firmware error codes. Those codes pinpoint whether a key format, order, or signature is the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.